Hey everybody, good morning. So today we're going to be working with Vue. If you wanted to get started with Vue, I'm going to show you how to start a new project. So first on your system you're going to need Node.js installed. So if you go to nodejs.org and download the current version, I already have this done, so I'm not going to do it, but you do need Node first for your package manager. And then once you have that downloaded, go to cli.vue.js.org. Now there's a couple different ways that you can do it, but I like to use the Vue CLI, so I have all of the files in one project. Just for me, it's easier that way. So the instructions are literally right here. You can use npm or you can use yarn. I like using yarn because I use yarn for work, so I just, kind of keep that going. So we're going to open up our terminal, and the first thing that you're going to run is either one of these. Either if you want to use npm, you can do this. You can do this one. If you want to use yarn, you can do this one. So since I use yarn, first I'm going to cd into my desktop because that's where I put my files, to be honest. So cd into wherever you like to keep your projects or whatever. If you have a project folder, then cd into that. But yeah, so you're just gonna, I shouldn't have to do this again because I just did it, but yarn. If you're on a Mac, you need to do this as an admin. So we're going to hit sudo first. If you're on Windows, you can just go ahead and put this in. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to ask me for my password because I'm doing it as an administrator. So and there you go. Okay, so I've already done this first section, the yarn global add. So all I need to do is start here. Vue create my project or whatever you want to name it. And then it's going to give you some options. Let me make this bigger, hopefully. There we go. Now it's going to give you some options. So I use default Vue3. Okay, and right here it literally tells you what to do next. So you're going to cd into my project. And that'll put you in that folder. And then you can yarn serve. But what I'm going to do is, since we already have the folder on our desktop, I put it on the desktop. That's what happened here. So we're going to close out of that. And we're going to open up Visual Studio Code. And we're going to open folder. I'm going to find the folder that it just created, which is right here, in my projects. And open it. So then we'll go up here and start a new terminal. And run yarn serve. So to tell you right here where that opened up, if you're on a Mac, just hit Command click, or Windows, I believe it's Control click. And there's our project. So this video, I just wanted to start with getting it started. In the next one, we will come over here and we will go through these files, and I will explain to you what these are.